E-type seat covers from BAS Limited, the best seat covers money can buy worldwide. What makes them good or the best? Well, lots of things. Firstly, I think the most important is the quality of the leather. We buy the very best leather available in Europe, stock it, import it. Every couple of weeks we get restocked, got all the original colors. This is a factory tan. High quality leather means not only does it look good now, it stays looking good in the future. We're featuring the Series 1 here with the moquette. We have all the patterns, of course, early 3.8 bucket seats, 4.2, Series 1.5, embossed leather for the Series 2s and 3s, exactly as original. Another big hallmark of our seat covers, high quality scrim foam we have specially made for us. Ensures the full pleats. You can see all the dimples in the pleats. Let's see if I can do this. Now you see them and now you don't. So when they get stretched on, all of that comes out. That's due in part to the high quality scrim. Of course, if you're doing Series 2s and 3s, I recommend headrest covers. These have been from another kit. They're non-embossed as per customer's request. But of course we do the original embossing, top stitched beautifully. Another thing to consider if you're doing seats, I definitely recommend the use of new seat diaphragms and foams featured in a separate video. Use of old foams is just a waste of money in our opinion. It just doesn't work. You get the look of the old seat going through. It's false economy to use seat diaphragms that are as old as the car. So to do it right, new seat diaphragms, molded foams. Our molded foams that you can see in a separate video are urethane. They fit our covers like a glove, and they're a 25-year life foam. Lastly, if you're going to do the seats, you should really consider doing the center console. These are the leather components from the center console, Series 1 and 2, 4.2. You have leather on the top of the cubby box lid, dash fascia around the radio, what we call the ski slope, and the shift boot on the early cars, color matched. If you think about the brand new seat and then you got the old console in between the two nice seats, it's well worth doing, so you get all the leather to match, and it's a much better way to do things, and highly recommended. So I think we've covered everything here for E-type seats. Again, let's look. We've got the moquette, short nap wool cloth on the back. Again, all original colors. You want custom colors, we got them too. You want contrast in piping, no extra charge, just let us know.